Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles, and welcome to the Spanish square and the granny square series. And that's a beautiful pattern, and it can be used in any of our projects that we like, and we can customize it too. Okay, and this particular piece I have worked with light pink Aran 100% premium acrylic yarn with color code 2035. So let us go into the video without further delay. Chain 8, slip stitch to the first chain and join to form a ring. In this ring, place 16 single crochets. So chain 1 is not counted as a stitch. Place 16 single crochets. I shall complete 16 single crochets in the ring and get back. Slip stitch to the first single crochet. Chain 1 and place a single crochet in the same single crochet, same place where you slip stitched. Chain 7, skip 3 single crochets, place a single crochet in the next. Every fourth single crochet you're going to place a single crochet with chain 7 spacing. So let me finish 3 more repeats and get back. We have completed 3 repeats of chain 7 1 single, chain 7 1 single, chain 7 1 single. Instead of placing 7 chains and slip stitching, chain 3 and make a double crochet in the very first single, so that we get the working chain to the center of the chain space here. Here, make a standing double crochet, one more double crochet, chain 3. We have done only half corner here. And 2 double crochets together, starting one in the same chain space and the other in the next chain space, before and after the single crochet. Chain 3, we'll do the corner, 2 doubles, chain 3, 2 doubles. Done. Again we are going to do 2 doubles together, one incomplete double in the same chain space where we did our corner, and the other in the next chain space. So begin here, incomplete, in the next incomplete DC and complete. So continue the stitch pattern till in all the chains. I shall get back when we reach the incomplete corner. I have come to the end of the round here. I have finished this 2 DCs together. So every set is separated by a chain 3. Okay, now I have chain 3. I am making the last 2 double crochets to complete the corner. And instead of chaining 3 and slip stitching onto the first stitch here, chain 1 and do a half double crochet into the first stitch, or 3 chain if you have done 3 chain for DC. Now again we are going to begin with a half corner. Either place a standing double crochet or chain 3 let me chain 3, make another double crochet in the same space, chain 3. Now in the chain 3 space, place 3 double crochets, and on top of 2 doubles together, 1 double, and in chain 3 space 3 doubles. So complete this, and I'll also complete and get back. So we have placed totally 7 double crochets for the side. Now chain 3 and go to the corner, 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets in the corner. Continue this stitch, repeat on the other 3 sides, and when you come to the end of this round here, I shall meet you and complete the first half corner. We've come to the corner and I have placed my other half of the corner. Now instead of chaining 3, chain 1, make a half double crochet in the third chain of the 3 chains that we did for the beginning DC. Here it is. And now again we'll begin with the half corner, chain 3, place 2 double crochets in the same chain space. This is the half corner done. And now chain 6, and you're going to place 5 double crochets in all. So skip the first, 1 double crochet in each of the next 5, again chain 6 and go to the corner. The corner 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles. One, 2, 3. So this is the stitch repeat from one end to the other end. So make the stitch pattern on all the other sides and complete. I shall meet you when I come to the half completed or incomplete corner and complete over there. I have completed the 5th round and I have placed my other half of the corner here. Again chain 1 and make a half double in the 3rd chain of the 3 chains that we made here. This is the 3rd chain. Insert your hook under both the loops, pull out, and half double crochet done. So we have brought the yarn to the center of this chain space. Now place 3 double crochets, that is again half corner we're going to do. Make 1, 2, 3. The first DC is 3 chains, 2 more double crochets here, and then place 1 double crochet each on each of the next 3 double crochets. So the double crochet, the first double crochet is little hide over here, so pick up from here. Yeah, that is the chain 3 that we had done in the previous round. So 1, 2 and a 3. Chain 6 now, and skip the first double crochet. Place 1 double crochet each on each of the next 3 doubles. So 1, 2 and 3. Again chain 6. Place 1 double crochet each on each of the next 3 doubles. They are the corners of the previous round. Now in the corner 3 doubles, chain 3 3 doubles. Here we go. This is a set from one corner end to the other corner. Complete set of these instructions on the other 3 sides, and I will meet you when I have to complete the first corner. I've completed round 6. I've placed all the stitches, and now I've completed the other half of the first corner. Now chain 3 and slip stitch to the third chain of the first 3 chains. We have to pick up under both the loops. So this is 1, 2, and this is the third chain here and here. We go. Pick up, slip stitch, and fasten off. Here we have completed the Spanish square. This is Spanish square. In the Granny Square series, this is titled as Spanish square. Hope you like this video, friends. Do like and share our videos. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon. You will be notified of the videos as and when we upload them. Okay. Thank you, friends, once again. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.